don't love your job, job your love. Don't. Yeah.
Love that.
Don't face your fear. Fear your face. But before you do that, come, let me show you how to remove an object from your videos. Let's go. So first of all, you have to take a picture of the object you want to remove, right? So in this case, I'll be using this as a case study. Then after that, go back to your menu and go to Chrome. Then if you are using Android, you can use Opera Mini, any Google search engine on your phone. Then search Gemini AI, right? So once you searched it, you have to wait for it to load. Then once it load, click on the first link you will see, and it will take you directly to the website interface. Then after that, if you look closely, you will see this plus sign here. Yes, this plus sign, you have to click on it to import the picture you just took. So when it comes to these options, right, you can choose anywhere you want to import your videos or picture from, right? But in this case, I'll be using upload files, then photo library. Then I have to select the picture I took earlier, right, so that I can import it. Select and add. Then after you add the picture, then you have to give a command, right? You have to type your command. So in this case, I'll be writing remove the houses, right? I want to remove the house, so I have to type it in as a command. Then after typing, you just need to send it, right? And when you send it, you have to wait a little bit for it to load, right? Sometimes it can be more faster or slower depending on network, right? So we have to wait for it to generate. Okay, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, we just successfully removed the buildings from the image, right? This is the first one and this is the second one. There's no more building on it, right? So you can just tap and hold, then click on save image and click on save in photos. That's how you save your photos, right? And wait, let me show you guys how and what it looks like. So this is the first image with the buildings on it, right? So let me show you guys the second image without the buildings. So this is the second image without the buildings. So now I can add anything I want to add or use it as any background I want to use it as. So this is how to remove any object from your pictures, right? And I think in my next video I'll be showing you guys on how to add objects to your videos, right? So if you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget, I run a Telegram channel where I teach people on how to become a professional editor. So if you want to elevate your editing games, hit me up on my DM. If you find this video helpful, type edit on the comment section. Subscribe for more.